Recently, I became irritated with the noise that your Ring app makes all the time when it discovers motion at your front door. You know, the sound going off over and over and over again. And I decided to see if there was an easy way to change it. And it turns out that the Ring app does have quite a few selections, but there was this certain clip in particular from a TV show I like called the IT Crowd that I thought would be absolutely hilarious to put in for motion at the front door, discovering someone moving in front of my front door. And so my husband recorded the clip for me, just the sound bite, using a software called Fubar that you can get for free off Night Night. And I was trying to figure out how to put it onto my cell phone so that I could substitute it in because I wasn't even sure that that was possible. So I figured it out, and what you want to do is you need to have a PC or a laptop, and go to this PC, and then you have to have your cell phone um, hooked up with your USB cable into the device, and make sure that your cell phone is on so it's discoverable. And you go to your cell phone, and then you want to search Ring. And then this is the folder right here that I put the ringtone in. Um, the primary file type is OGG, but we were able to use an MP3 file. And this is the one I was able to upload to my phone. See if it can play. Oh. Okay, well, it's not going to play on there, but let me play it on my phone. And so you can hear it.
There's somebody at the door. There's somebody at the door. There's somebody at the door.
So, yeah, and after you have to put it on your your cell phone first. Then you can go to your Ring app, and um, each device will be different. But for my cell phone, you go to your the device that you want to change the ringtone on, and you tap on it, the screen portion of it. Then you go to the settings icon in the top right corner. And you scroll down until you see the device settings and tap on it. Tap on the bell notification settings, then tap on app alert tones, and then you can either change it from the motion or ring alerts, and then you change the sound to whatever, either one of the ones they already have for you or to your new sound. Hopefully this is helpful.